Which is the best option for you, lease a car or finance a car? When you lease a car, you typically get a brand new 0 miles car. You never have to worry about maintenance, and after 2 or 3 years, you return it like a rental. Sounds too easy, isn't it? But today I'm gonna show you which is the best option for you depending on your needs. Leasing a car typically good option for those who want lower payments, drive a newer car, and never have to worry about maintenance and stuff like that. But that comes with downside. One of the biggest drawbacks is limit on your mileage. You're typically allowed to drive 8 to 12,000 miles a year on your lease car. And for every miles that you put extra, you'll be charged 15 to 30 cents a mile. Let's say you put 18,000 miles a year on a car instead of 12,000 miles. For that difference, you'll be charged $1,800 per year in extra fees on top of your lease payments. And the lease payment is the difference between what your car is worth now and what is the price of the car will be when you have to return the car in 3 years. That difference is financed over 3 years and puts you in a payment of, like, for example, $300. Let's take a few examples. Here is the same 2024 Toyota Camry. You can either buy it in cash, finance, or lease the car. Cash, in my opinion, is always the best option. But let's just review finance versus lease today. When you finance a car, dealer offers you 2023 brand new Toyota Camry at 2.75 rate for 48 months with a purchase price of $28,462, sales tax of 6% and dealer fee of $1,500. This putting you at a payment of $697.49 a month. Majority of that, as you can see, is going towards your principal payment. When you lease a car, you only have option for 2024 model, which is already a little expensive, and you'll have to pay $3,608 at signing and have a payment for 39 months of $309, which is lower than financing payment. But you have also 12,000 mile limit a year on a car, and also $350 disposition fee that is due when your lease ends. So total for the lease payments, you will be at $15,970. With financing at the end of the loan, you have a car at least worth $17,000, considering 36,000 miles that you can put on a car. You will be driving without payments for as much as you want. With lease, at the end, you'll have to drive a bicycle. So when it makes sense to actually take lease instead of financing? For example, if you need to sell the car in the future and you don't have experience in selling cars and you don't want to deal with it, you may probably take lowball offers from people and sell car at way lower price that you actually can sell it. For example, if car worth $16,000, but people typically offer you 11, 12,000 and you don't want to wait for the right buyer, you might sell car for $11,000 and last like 5-6,000 right there. Another reason might be auto repair. If you always go to licensed dealership, they might bill you for a major repair to replace the full system for example, $10,000 for AC. But in reality, you may need only to replace just one part of the whole AC system, and that will cost you actually $1,500 with local auto repair shop. If you don't know what auto repair shop go to, or you don't have any trusted mechanics, you may better lease car and you'll always be by the warranty of the manufacturer of the car, and you'll be good to go. Another reason you might go with a lease instead of financing or cash options is if you have a business, for example, you're a real estate agent, you can deduct that amount of your taxes. Just full lease amount of like $300 a month will be straightforward tax deduction, and for that reason it may make sense for you to go with a lease.